Okay. Sorry guys. It's Bang and Lord Ender, and apparently my phone butted out, so the video crashed. So we're just gonna show you the last little bit really fast. Okay, Taylor? Go grab the really awesome sheet. Go grab the really awesome thing. If you want to show the really awesome thing, just go grab it.
Oh, that's my own.
Sorry. So, freaking me and him were trying to say who knows what. And he's ready to get really awesome thing. I'm going to show you our bunker that we recently just crashed on. Hopefully you have the last video because that was honestly, I don't want to go all over it again. Probably not going to see my face much because I just really hate turning the camera like back and forth. So yeah. View of the fence post. He's got a really awesome thing. Yeah. Okay, let it load. And right now, I found that.
It's awesome. It's a flower.
It's a really old flower. And we don't even know what to do with it yet. We're gonna use it. Yeah, we can like get wood back and forth because we don't want to go haul like freaking huge things all the way from over there to here. And freaking way over there to here because we actually had to do that with that ladder yeah, and then we actually didn't really use it for long. Okay, this is where we stopped. So there's the tunnel. And if you go through here, we're gonna clear all that out, but there's actually a hollow over there, so it's kind of like a nice little hangout bunker for safety. Okay? And yeah, tunnel. Just a really fast review.
If you guys are on Instagram, follow me. I'm Lord Ender, and follow my friend CV Racing. Thanks, bye.
Yeah, he does Instagram, and please follow him. He only has like freaking a couple of them, and most of his.
20 followers. I need more. Please help me.
Yeah. Some of you
have like 58. I need to catch up.
Okay, quick review. Steel door. Nothing can break through it. There's my little hangout over there. I just found some rope that we're gonna use. Hopefully you can see this. Yeah, you can't. There is a nice little bed, Taylor. Oh, there's that tunnel I was showing you before where the bunker is. And yeah, a little bed, nice little hangout. So yeah. This door is awesome. Love it, love it, love it. No, you didn't. You did not find that knife in the dirt. No, you didn't. Yeah. I told you that he didn't just barely get it. So, see you guys. Hope you liked the video. Please
follow me on Instagram.
Follow him on Instagram, Lord Ender, and please follow our channel. See ya.